AYANEO, with its innovative devices, has been making waves in the handheld gaming market. Among a few of their products, two of their offerings, the Pocket S and Pocket Micro, cater to different segments of the portable gaming community. But which one is right for you? Let's dive into a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The Pocket S boasts a sleek, modern design with a 6-inch borderless IPS mirror screen. It features a high-strength all-metal mid-frame, a first for Android handhelds, offering a premium feel and durability. Available in obsidian black and ice soul white, the device showcases a sophisticated look with its glossy screen and sandblasted matte texture. The Pocket Micro, as its name states, boasts a 3.5-inch borderless IPS screen and a more compact form factor. It features a CNC aluminum alloy frame, providing durability in a smaller package. It combines retro aesthetics with modern design elements in obsidian black, charm red, and vintage gray. Both devices offer premium build quality, with the choice depending on whether you prefer a larger, more modern design or a compact, retro-inspired look. The AYANEO Pocket S comes with a 6-inch borderless IPS touchscreen, offering resolution options of 2560 by 1440 or 1920 by 1080. It boasts 120% sRGB color gamut volume, 100% sRGB coverage, and 85% DCI-P3, with 400 nits brightness for the 1080p model. In contrast, the AYANEO Pocket Micro features a 3.5-inch borderless IPS screen with a resolution of 960 x 640 and a 3:2 aspect ratio. It offers 100% sRGB coverage and 4x native GBA resolution, making it ideal for retro gaming. With higher resolution options, larger screen sizes, and superior color gamut, the Pocket S offers a more immersive visual experience. The AYANEO Pocket S is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 gaming platform, featuring an 8-core Cryo CPU up to 3.36 GHz and Adreno A32 GPU. It supports up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM at 8,533 megatransfers per second and up to 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage UFS 3.1 for 128 GB version, all with a 15 watts TDP. The Pocket S, coupled with faster RAM and storage, gives it a significant performance edge, especially for more demanding games and emulation. The AYANEO Pocket Micro, on the other hand, utilizes the MediaTek Helio G99 processor with an octa-core CPU up to 2.2 GHz and ARM G57 GPU. It supports up to 8 GB LPDDR4X RAM at 4,266 megatransfers per second and up to 256 GB UFS 2.2 storage. The Pocket S comes with a 6,000 mAh battery and features a VC Plus active air cooling system with support for PD fast charging. The Pocket Micro has a 2,600 mAh battery with an advanced air-cooled active heat dissipation system, offering up to 6 hours of continuous gaming. The Pocket S is ideal for longer gaming sessions due to its larger battery and better cooling system, which help maintain performance over time. Both devices offer advanced control features. The Pocket S includes RGB Hall sensing joysticks, linear Hall triggers, an X-axis linear motor for vibration feedback, a 6-axis gyroscope, and fingerprint recognition integrated into the power button. The Pocket Micro features Hall joysticks, L1, L2, R1, R2 shoulder keys with varying heights, an X-axis linear motor, a 6-axis gyroscope, and audio fingerprint recognition in the power key. The Pocket S has a slight edge with RGB lighting on the joysticks. The Pocket S supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 and includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port supporting DP 1.4 video output and an SD 3.0 TF card slot. The Pocket Micro offers Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, a USB 2.0 OTG Type-C port, and a micro SD card slot, SD 3.0. with newer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards, as well as a more capable USB port. The Pocket S offers superior connectivity options. Both devices run on Android 13 and feature AYANEO's custom software, AYA Space Management Frontend and AYA Home Launcher. The Pocket S includes additional features like Sound Tap Magic Sound Vibration and multi-scene performance modes, giving it a slight edge in the software experience. While exact pricing may vary, the AYANEO Pocket S, being the more premium device, is likely to be priced higher than the Pocket Micro. The Pocket S offers higher-end specifications and features, justifying its higher price point for enthusiasts and power users. The Pocket Micro provides a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much on quality and performance. The AYANEO Pocket S and Pocket Micro are two Android handheld gaming devices that cater to different gaming preferences, budgets, and portability needs. The Pocket S offers a powerful experience with a larger high-resolution screen, extended battery life, and the latest connectivity options. On the other hand, the Pocket Micro is ideal for those who prioritize extreme portability, prefer retro games or less demanding titles, have a compact retro-inspired design, are on a tighter budget, and prefer a smaller form factor. Both devices represent significant advancements in the handheld gaming market, offering unique advantages. The Pocket S is a powerful choice for serious mobile gamers, while the Pocket Micro excels in portability and nostalgic appeal. Both devices are capable of delivering exceptional gaming experiences, each in its unique way. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment which one are you thinking of buying.